Today I'm going to teach you how to add a table to your Wix website. Tables are incredibly useful for displaying organized data, pricing information, product comparisons, or any structured content that needs to be presented clearly. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the overview page for your specific site. From this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add a table to. This step is important if you manage multiple sites, as you want to ensure you're editing the correct one. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it fairly easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to add and customize elements for your site. From the editor screen, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation panel. This button is your gateway to all the different components you can add to your site. Click on it and you'll see a variety of element categories. Look for the List Element option. Under the Buttons section within this category, you'll find the Tables option. This is exactly what we need to add a structured table to your page. Now simply drag the table element onto your website canvas. You can position it wherever you'd like it to appear on your page. To customize the content inside the table, you'll need to connect it to your CMS. Make sure you have your datasets ready before proceeding. If you don't have one prepared yet, don't worry. We'll make a sample connection to walk you through the process. Click on the table you just added and look for the Connect to CMS button. This button allows you to link your table to dynamic data stored in your Wix database. Start by adding the dataset. Click on Choose a Dataset from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you've selected your dataset, you'll see a connection section where you can start mapping the columns. This is where you assign each column in your table to a specific field from your dataset. For example, if your dataset contains product names, prices, and descriptions, you'll map those fields to the corresponding columns in your table. Take your time with this step to ensure each column displays the correct information. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table to your Wix website and connected it to your CMS. This setup makes it easy to display organized, dynamic data that updates automatically as you modify your dataset. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.